last shock, that bolt on the bottom there was bent over. Well, here's the real problem. The bolt was bent a little bit, but I don't know if you can see it, but this thing here that bolt goes through, it's bent off to the side, so we're gonna have to I'm gonna keep this short bolt in it to hopefully keep it from caving in on itself. I'm just gonna try to heat it up and tap it on back a little bit. Yep, that moved her. Wow, I think she's perfectly straight. If we didn't get this one stuck in here.